Is there a light beyond the stars? I've heard of stars beyond the grey sky. I couldn't see beyond my own face the day the mirror became a blade, and all that anger and all that pain sparked the power of who I became. I paid in blood so I'd be beautiful. I found my power in chaos, but all that magic is illusional. It's not enough, it's not enough. I gave it all so I'd be powerful. I learned to master my chaos, but all the magic in the whole wide world is not enough, it's not enough. It can't return the part I love.